GBA Mini is a mini-sized look like Game Boy Advance, but is a KeyChain ESP32 mini gaming console. It was more from a GameBox mini keychain, and now it comes with a whole brand new shape for this little guy, a metal cell case. Today video, let's see how to mold the kit into the metal cell case and original GameBox mini shell case. Get ready the GameBox mini and remove the 5 small Phillips screws from back shell. Remove the battery cover and just bring to recycle the two LR44 battery. Remove the back shell unscrew 4 screws from the board. Now you're able to remove all unnecessary from this console. You only need front, back cell case and the battery cover from this GameBox Mini. For other unnecessary part, you may just throw or bring to recycle. Now need to trim, cut and remove those as I circle with red color circle. Use a small hobby cutter to trim. This is hard plastic, so be careful, don't get your finger hurt. Now move to the back shell case. Let's trim and remove those as shown with red circle. Now let's sand or polish it. I'm using a polish machine to make my job easy. If you don't have, you may need to use a sandpaper to do it slowly or any other tools to get it done. If you have any others idea, please share with me. Leave your comment below. I would like to know. Okay, done for front cell case. It should look almost like this. Now we need to open a hole for the charging port. Get the 4 holes aligned, and then we need to mark the we need to check and send here until there's no gap between the pole and the board, the case and the board. Okay, something like this. There's no gap between. This is the last one, battery cover. This one we need to sand this knob to reduce the height, so when you stick to the cell case, it won't force the battery to push upwards and pressure the screen display. And we also need to trim and remove this metal. Stick a double side tape and fix our battery cell cover, battery cover. Place the logic board to the cell case. Remove the screen protector. Get ready your double side tape, the black color double side tape that come with, and stick 1, 2 on top of it. Another double side tape bottom, stick to now connect the screen to the logic board. Power on and try to adjust in center. Power off the console. Now we can go to our final step. To tighten the 4 screw, you are ready to enjoy your GameBox Mini. That's it. This is the installation for GameBox Mini plastic cell case. Install the metal GameBox Mini. We don't need any parts from the GameBox Mini plastic version. We only install with the kits and metal cell case. Insert all custom button, then connect the screen. This is the installation process for metal GameBox Mini and plastic GameBox Mini. Metal GameBox Mini is more easy compared with the plastic one. Metal, you no need to do any trim or cut or polish. You just need to fix the kit into the metal cell case. But for plastic GameBox Mini, you need a lot of job, need to be patient and slowly enjoy your DIY works. This is a DIY keychain console. It's very small size, a mini size console, so it may not perfect. If you like this installation video, please consider to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share this video. Today's video will end here. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.